What is it?
What was that dish which was just taken? I mean, to be honest, it smelled like home cooking, so I asked.
Oh. Hey.
Yes, sir.
You just served a dish at that table. Can we have that and butter or plain rotis? 4 butter rotis, okay?
Sorry, sir. That dish isn't available.
You just served it at that table.
Listen,
How can you say no to me?
listen,
Do you know who I am?
listen, let it be. I just wanted to know.
How can I let it go? Miss Neha, you can have your seat. Are we here for a free lunch?
Hello. I own this hotel. Would you like to have something?
I just ordered a dish. Your waiter was rude enough to tell me it can't be served. He can't even speak to the customers. Useless.
Mind your language, sir. You are speaking about my staff. He just told you the truth, that's all. This dish isn't on our menu card, and that's why we can't serve it to you.
Oh, how can you not serve it? Serve it to me like you served it to them.
No, don't compare yourself with them, sir. They can buy this hotel very easily. Can you do that? When you can buy this hotel, I will serve you this dish.
You know, our Yash loves home-cooked food. Can you cook?
Who cooks at home these days? We say the word, and the servants cook.
But she said she doesn't mind not having a staff.
Mr. Riker, don't worry. I will teach Dimple to cook our kind of food.
You are going to teach her.
Yes, I cook everything at home.
Good joke.
Can I serve you?
Is that her? The tiffin lady from the office?
Yes. Say what you want, Shefali. But you should eat outside with the staff.
How can I, sir?
Hey?
You eat in here alone, and I eat outside with all. It's just not right, sir.
No, the thing is, from the outside we appear to... Hey, what is this vegetable?
What?
What is this vegetable you just fed me?
Guess what?
I can't guess every day, right? Tell me, what vegetable is this?
This one?
Yes.
Sir, hold this. I'll be back. You eat it. Okay? Just 2 minutes. The office has called. Yes, Shefali, tell me. Is everything okay at the office? Did Mr. Gahatonde say something?
No! Sameer sir was asking.
Sameer sir? About me?
No! I mean about the vegetable curry. I mean the tiffin. Which vegetable did you send in the tiffin?
Open the box and see it. It must be your favorite veg curry.
But Neha, I love all the vegetable curries you cook. But which one is this?
Miss Neha? Are you done with the call? The food is getting cold.
Yes, I'll be there. Shefali, let me speak to you later.
What? What is the matter?
It's nothing. I'm okay.
Water? Give him water.
Water?
I'm sorry. I need to go. I need to go to the office urgently.
Where are you rushing off to?
I know, but it's urgent, so I must go. Excuse me. You guys continue, please. I will have to take your leave.
It's okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me, manager.
Yes.
Add the bill for the table behind me on my name.
That table?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm done. I must go. I have to get back before the lunch break.
But they'll get here by the time lunch is done.
Can you call once and see?
Yes, sir. Pranjave here. We have been waiting for you and you're not here yet. What? Oh, you should have informed me before. Miss Neha has been waiting for you. He says it'll take more time.
Really?
Miss Neha, I am extremely sorry. You've wasted your time, right?
No. Why must you say sorry? You have waited so long for me. Can I leave? Please let me know what you've discussed.
Of course, of course. I'll certainly tell you.
Just clean this for me.
Bring the bill.
Sir, your bill has been paid.
It's paid? Oh. Oh. I see. Your boss just found out who I am. Didn't he know before, huh? I guess that's why he was so rude. Tell him it's okay. You see? I've been a regular visitor here, Miss Neha.
Can we go?
Sure.
Hello. Bring the car at once. Yes. I'm outside.
Yes?
Hi.
What brings you here?
Oh, wait. No, don't come. Okay. So you know the boss, right? He needed to sign a file and he asked for it. So that's why I was here.
But where is the file?
He's kept it, no? What brings you here?
I came with Paranspe. The folks from the bank were expected.
Oh, I see.
Let me introduce you. This is the lawyer Paranspe.
Hello.
This is Yash. He handles all of Mr. Chaudhary's jobs.
I mean, I handle them too.
Is that so? I know Jagannath Chaudhary. I mean, I've heard his speeches in the conferences of a couple of industrialists.
Yeah.
Anyways, a big business would need big lawyers, right?
Yes, that's right.
If you need anything, then let me know, okay?
Sure. Of course. I'll certainly let you know. Pleasure meeting you.
Same here.
Are you going to the office?
Yes.
Shall we go?
Yes.
Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Let's go.
Wait, Pari has called. Hi, dear.
Hello, Mom. The curry was amazing. I ate too much of it. Is friend there behind you? Where are you?
We are right here.
Oh my goodness, Mom. That's a huge swimming pool. Did you go to the office?
My dear, I have come to a hotel.
Did you go to eat at hotel without me? You're partying without me, right?
No, I'm here for my work and friend came for something he had to do.
No, you left me and went to eat anyway.
He had something else to do, my child.
Can I speak to her?
Yes.
Hi!
I'm angry with you.
Why?
You always keep cheating. You took only Mom on the helicopter. You took her to the huge hotel too. You're having fun without me everywhere.
Hey, strong girl. Don't be sad. Listen, I'll take you on the helicopter and we'll come to this huge hotel to eat too. Okay? Just the two of us will party. Will that do? Okay?
But when will you take me?
Soon enough.
Promise?
God promise.
Why are you doing this?
Okay, listen, you have to go to the office now. Can I hang up? Bye-bye.
Bye, dear.
Bye.
Why did you promise her that?
I will take her.
To such a huge hotel. Why?
Hey, heck, I'm in trouble. Sorry, please drive a bit slowly.
Sir, please drive faster.
No, please drive slowly.
What are you going on about fast and being slow? You better decide what has to be done first. Should I drive slow or fast?
Sir, please drive fast. We are
No,
already
drive slowly,
late.
drive slowly. Don't ask him to drive fast, okay? We might have an accident on the way. Please drive slowly.
No, he is used to it. Sir, just keep driving. If we get late, Mr. Ghartonde will kill me.
Garthonde won't say a word to you. I'm with you. He won't say a word.
Are you the boss? He won't say anything to you. Listen, you are an employee just like me. He will scold you too. Sir, don't listen to him. Please drive fast.
No. Please drive slowly.
Listen, you want to get there soon, right? Just don't say another word. Let me decide how to drive. Slow or fast? I'm feeling dizzy here.
Hey, what are you doing? Hold on here. Like this, yes. Why are you behaving as if it's your first time in a rickshaw? Sir has pampered you too much. You travel in his car, right? That's why you aren't used to traveling in public transport. Sir, drive fast. The rickshaw will not slow down. Sir, drive fast. And those bank folks didn't turn up.
Really? But then, what did the lawyer Paranjpai say? Will your problem get solved? Tell me if you need any help, okay?
I need 3 million rupees to solve my problem. Can you give it to me? Why are you getting so serious? I was just kidding. I know, it's a huge amount. Paranjpai is trying. We will see what happens. Sir, please drive fast.
Slow down enough. I think we'll reach our office very soon.
Yes, but drive fast.
Oh God. Thank you for getting me home in one piece. Oh no, dear God.
I'm flying high today. I look down upon the sky. I'm leading while the world follows. Neha.
Hey, what is it?
You are back.
But why do you seem so happy?
Seem happy? I am super delighted. Thank you so much, Yash. You know, you are just amazing, man. You are the best.
I see. Okay, so I'm the best or...
Sorry. I mean, you are nice. And sir is the best.
Okay.
I fed him a morsel with this hand of mine today. Yes, I mean, I fed him with this hand today. Now I'm going to feed him every single day.
Wow.
No. I fed sir with this hand, right? I won't shake hands with this. By the way, thank you, Yash.
You're welcome.
Such a drama queen. Listen, Yesh. I kept the tiffin on your table for you. Where is my tiffin?
The tiffin. Actually.
Neha? Yash? Miss Neha, what is the time in your watch?
Sir, is your watch broken?
You don't try to sass me. I'm speaking to them. Listen to me. The office runs by discipline. Everyone must obey it.
Sorry, sir. What happened
No
was...
matter what happens, you must come to the office on time. This is an office, not a charity hostel. You can't come at any random time. Tell me how long has it been since lunchtime? Tell me how long has it been? Please tell her.
Yes, what's up?
Samir, come out at once and rescue me.
What do you mean? Come where and what rescue?
I'm right here in the office. Come out at once, Samir. I need you, man.
Okay, fine. I'll be there in 5 minutes. Wait.
I don't care if it takes 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15. Being late is inexcusable. Listen, Miss Neha, I don't know about any of that.
Gardonde.
Are you actually calling me by my name now? I'm your boss, okay?
And I'm your boss.
What?
I'm calling you by name.
Sorry, sir. I was on my way.
I want the accounts file.
Yes, sir. I will just get it.
Turn around if you love me. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Sir, we have a meeting with the Somaiyas.
Yes? Oh, yes. Right.
Can we go? Let me ask him to get the car, sir.
Oh, yes!
Shefali, what are you acting so dizzy about? Where is my tiffin?
Your tiffin? Yes, I'll give it to you.
Then give it already.
I don't have it at present.
Then where is it?
The boss has it.
What? The boss has my tiffin. How did he get it?
Neha, let me tell you what happened. Actually, the boss loved the vegetable curry that you gave. Then there was some of it left behind. Then he said, I will eat the rest of the curry. I'll eat and give the tiffin to you. Now you know that I can't say no to him.
Are you nuts or what?
Huh?
Why did you give him my tiffin? You have given it, go and bring it. I don't care, I want my tiffin.
Why are you getting so upset? I'll give your tiffin back to you tomorrow.
And even that Yesh hasn't returned my tiffin yet.
Hey, boss. When was the meeting with Somaya set up? I didn't even know about it. It's not planned in our schedule.
No meeting or anything of that sort.
So it's all a sham?
Actually, if I'd stayed on in the office, then Neha would have kept asking about the tiffin. That's why I got out of there.
So what?
I mean, I took out the tiffin she gave me out for lunch. So I left the tiffin out there by mistake. Now Grandpa's taking the tiffin home. He even showed it to me while he was leaving. Is this how you behave decorously?
Grandpa did that?
Of course.
That is so amazing. Chaggu, I really love it. No, but tell me, isn't my name given to Tiffin Lady perfect for her? But Yashvardhan Chaudhary, today you ran away from the office because you fear a Tiffin Lady.
Listen, I'm not scared of anything, but...
But what? What about it?
Hey! Hey, what about this tiffin?
Hey, this tiffin belongs to Shefali. I tell you, she's such a pain, but she cooks the most tasty food. Oh, the veg curry she brought today was excellent.
Hello? The tiffin belongs to Neha. The veg curry was also cooked by Neha, okay?
Is it?
Yes.
I was wondering about that. When you look at Shefali, you can't imagine that she would have good cooking skills.
Okay, give me the tiffin.
No,
now.
no, not the tiffin. This is Shefali's tiffin. I won't give it to you.
Sameer, give me the tiffin. Give it to me or Neha will kill me, man. Give me the
Except
tiffin.
that you're scared of her.
Are you insane? Give me
No,
the
you must
tiffin.
confess. Excuse me, Yashwardhan Chaudhary is a businessman who does business worth millions all over the world. He's scared of a tiffin lady.
Are you crazy or what? What are you doing? Give me my tiffin, Sameer.
I said I won't give it.
Give it to me.
Yash, I won't give it.
Give
Yash,
it
I
to
won't
me.
give it.
Sameer,
I
give me
won't
the
give
tiffin.
Yash.
Sameer, give me the tiffin.
I won't give it.
You won't give it? Fine. You'll get oil stains on your shirt.